Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to make a website with ChatGPT. So open your browser and then type chat.openai.com and then log into your account. Now you type in create a basic code HTML for Facebook login. So enter, and ChatGPT will provide you code for that certain website. Then you can add those codes. So copy those codes, and then to run that code, you can install HTML editor. So open HTML editor, then click my HTML project, type the name and the project description, then tap create, and in here you can paste the code of ChatGPT. Then tap run. And that's it. That's how to make a website with ChatGPT. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.